Packing for an international trip can be stressful, but it is a completely different ballgame to have to pack for international travel with a toddler. In this video, I'm gonna break down our recommended bag strategy and what to exactly pack for an international trip with a toddler. In this case, a child over 12 months who is no longer drinking formula or breast milk. Hey guys, it's Allie from Away Together. My husband Nick and I have packed a lot of bags on this channel, but what we haven't shared is what we pack in our 16-month-old daughter's bag when traveling abroad. Ruby has now accompanied us to 4 new countries in her short life, and we've realized packing for a toddler is very different than packing for yourself. Generally, toddlers just need more stuff, but there are several niche items that make traveling with a toddler abroad much smoother. Note, I said smoother, not necessarily easier. My husband and I have long been carry-on only travelers, and that's still kind of the case. I use a carry-on roller bag and a personal item-sized backpack that fits under the seat in front of me. Nick is still a die-hard one-bag traveler, carrying nothing but a backpack. And we like this approach because it allows him to be mobile and hands-free for carrying or chasing a very fast toddler. My personal item backpack carries everything Ruby and I both need for the plane ride. The personal bag itself is the Rani backpack by Aruna. This bag is not intended as a diaper bag, but it's a great work commuter bag with a built-in laptop pocket and fits easily under the seat in front of you. The bag is lovingly made by artisans rescued from human trafficking, and this is by no means an ad, just a company that we've discovered and want to tell others about. The check bag we're taking is the Monos Check-In Medium. It's got all the great features that Monos bags have: super smooth 360-degree spinner wheels, tough but stylish polycarbonate exterior, built-in locks, and the best telescoping handles on the market. So that's our 2-bag strategy. You'll have things that you need for the trip in general and things that you'll want on you all the time. So what goes into these 2 bags? Let's start with the personal item size backpack. This bag will function mostly like a diaper bag with a few extra things that will help the plane ride go a bit smoother. You of course will want all of the diaper bag basics and enough of it that you can last an entire travel day, including diapers, wipes, diaper disposing bags, a changing pad, diaper cream, a couple binkies, a binky clip, a few small toys that your toddler likes. You'll also want to make sure to have a pair of comfy pajamas or a comfy outfit that your toddler can change into, especially if the flight is overnight. I also like to pack one additional outfit to change into, especially if you aren't headed straight to a hotel or Airbnb to freshen up. Speaking of freshening up, I like to have these hand and face wipes that I can do a quick wipe down of sticky hands and faces, as well as pacifier or bottle wipes to keep those items clean in transit. There are things that you're gonna want for mealtime. This includes a sippy cup for water, maybe a sippy cup for milk. I pack this little set of utensils in a convenient travel case, and my favorite recent Amazon finds, disposable placemats and bibs, which help make cleanup on the go very easy. Pack plenty of snacks or be prepared to buy some before getting on the plane, because if your toddler's anything like mine, they're easily distracted with food. We put Ruby's favorite snacks in these snack cups with lids. She's also obsessed with pouches, so we pack this handy pouch holder that lets her handle the pouch without spilling it all over herself. This next item is a new one for us, but a must-have for long-haul flights with a kiddo. It's the Flyaway Kids Bed. It's an inflatable mattress that turns a plane seat into a comfortable place for your toddler to play and sleep on the plane. It inflates and deflates super quickly and packs down decently small. Bonus points is that it meets the International Air Transport Association's guideline for in-flight comfort devices. Now, no, it's still at the discretion of the flight attendant on your flight for its use, so just know that your mileage may vary. In keeping with the spirit of helping a toddler sleep on the international flights, we also pack these super light blankets by Gravel, or if your toddler is still in sleep sacks, make sure to pack one in your diaper bag. A few other things to consider for your personal item bag. If your child's on any medication, you'll want it to pack in this bag. I also keep a small hairbrush and hair ties or clips in this bag because Ruby has a ton of hair and I need to keep it out of her face. You'll maybe want to pack a small bottle of baby lotion because the plane is super dehydrating, and if your toddler is prone to dry skin, you might want to apply a round or 2 of lotion. You might also pack their toothbrush and toothpaste. All right, let's move on to the main checked bag. I always like to pack a good amount of diapers and wipes in the main bag. It's likely you'll be going to a destination where you can buy these items because there are babies and toddlers everywhere, but it's unlikely that you might find your brand or style your child is used to. If there's only one type of diaper that works for your toddler, I suggest attempting to pack a trip's worth, but this could make a huge dent in available space. Also pack a few extra of any snacks your child loves. They will hopefully be introduced to a ton of new foods that they end up loving while abroad, but it's nice to have a few foods options that you know they'll love. Ruby loves these fruit and veggie pouches and puffs, so I always pack those and have them handy. In addition to the sippy cups in the personal item bag, I like to have a few more in the main bag, plus this handy travel bottle, brush and cleaner, and baby dish soap, so I can clean sippy cups and utensils at the end of the day. This item is especially handy for hotel rooms that don't have kitchens. Just like any trip, you'll want to ensure you pack an appropriate amount of clothes and pajamas. I'm not going to go into the specific number of outfits and PJs, that's going to vary depending on your trip, duration, and location. Like always, we rent an Airbnb at some point in our trip that has a washing machine. That way we can pack a bit less. If you don't have this option, you'll need to pack enough to last the entire trip duration. A few clothing items you will want to make sure not to forget: pack your toddler a rain jacket, just in case. Socks and shoes. They're so tiny and forgettable. Don't forget to throw a few pairs in there. If you're going to a beach destination, don't forget a swimsuit and a sun hat. I'd recommend to pack a few outfits and also some diapers in one of your carry-on bags or even your personal item bag, just in case something happens to this check bag. Better safe than sorry. If you're planning for your toddler to sleep in a pack and play during your trip and they are used to sleeping in a dark room, you might consider packing something like this blackout pack and play cover. It slips over the pack and play and makes it dark. It has a zipper on the top so you can peek in and check on them. We also bring a pack and play crib sheet versus using the sheets provided just as a precaution. Two other handy items for nighttime is this portable sound machine and nightlight. It has multiple sound variations and can play on an infinite loop and puts off just enough light to be able to see into the pack and play if needed. Additionally, we pack a camera baby monitor. This one works without Wi-Fi and it just gives us peace of mind so we can check in on her while she sleeps. For your toddler's toiletry bag, make sure you bring your child's shampoo and soap for bath time. You could put them in reusable containers if you like, lotion, and sunscreen for during the day. I like this powder sunscreen that applies with a little brush, easy, convenient, and mess-free. I like to pack a pair of small nail clippers just in case she has a hangnail we need to take care of. In her toiletry bag, I also include a few medicines like children's Tylenol and Benadryl, plus a small thermometer. And that's it. If there are any items you recommend for traveling with a toddler that maybe we missed, let us know in the comments below.